BEDSURE Sherpa Fleece Queen-Size Blankets. The blanket is made of 100% microfiber polyester, which makes it anti-pill, anti-static, machine-washable, breathable, quick-drying, and wrinkle-resistant. The blanket is dual-sided, with velvety fleece on one side and plush Sherpa on the other. The blanket comes in a range of colors and prints, as well as 4 different sizes. The blanket is incredibly soft and maintains its texture and quality after washing one. The blanket is easy to clean, durable, and long-lasting one. The blanket is cheaper than designer throws. The design isn't as sophisticated as higher-end throws one. The blanket doesn't have the weight or heft of expensive blankets. Overall, the BEDSURE Sherpa Fleece Blanket is a great choice for those who want a soft, easy-to-clean, and affordable throw that is perfect for snuggling up on the couch or in bed.